Ka Voice of the People Party VPP ha ka laipuai tarik na itung. Kalaong bakan penlong ya ka jingtur pat ba siya secretariat ha ka Henry tarik na ilar ka banlong. Kum ka jingpen kan mau ya ka sarkar jela. Bakam la asuk ban le menti ya ka jingbitar jing ki pat ba. Ha ka ba ki jing e ha ka kamti do yong kan long ka weni ki mat pakongsan. Haba keren syakilat thai kubor. U Presiden ke VPP uba Arden Miller Besaimon. Ula ong baka jing temu jong ka seng kam day ban pen mi ya ka no ko jing klumar. Henry ban pen pau ya ka jing sngo benyau. Bat ka jing bitar ka bala nangjur ha ka leng gejela Meghalaya. Ka jing temu ka jongi kam day ban wanra ya ka no ko jing klumar. Ngin penlong ya ka jingat pat ba ka bajai jai ula ong. Ngim shim la ong bangin let Tom Shamin Secretariat. Kadon ka jinga pher hapadeng ka jingle thom bar ka jingai pat ba bajai jai she secretariat ula ang uba Arden ulakin turu ya umintri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma ba udai bandan hashlong ha kasngi ba penlong ya ka jingai pat ba khnang ba unyo I daladi ya ki pat ba ki ba wan benta ula khot ru ya baro ki nong shong shnong ki bala shak ta ling ba ki policy jong ka sarkar bakin wan benta bat maham ru baka VPP kan om shim jingkit kli halor kinu kinu ki jinglong jingman ki bala ban mi na kinu kinu ki ba persyang ban thau jingklumar ban penthot ya kani ka program ka wei ki jingdawa ba kongsan e jong ka seng ban bu hakmat ka sarkar ka dei halor ka kam do yong uba Arden ula ong ba kilong yeng ki bala imja nakakam do yong la bun pateng kinong trei par ki try bat kinong khayi kilamat ya ka jing e ka bakraw na du balakhang ya ka jing ti do yong kani ka sarkar kala kular bun ki aka shi ki pat ba ha ka baya dei bar ka kam do yong ula ong na du balakhang ya ka jing ti do yong kini ki briu ki baduk kila shak ta jor ka e ka bangi dawa kalong baka sarkar ka dei ban ailat ki briu ha ki kam ti do yong haringkat ki kindon kata kham tam mi kinong ti do yong ki barit barya kumju kinong khayi ula ong ula kendo baka jingla arsap ha ka ne kam ha ka ba kinong tre par ki badani ki par ki barin kila sha khanglat kat baka sarkar pat kala pensuk ki project ti do yong ki bahe kani ka ju ka rukam ka pawru ha ka kam ti par ha ka ba kinong tre ki ba pundan kam de ki ti ha ki jaka kum ha ka than pun ursla bar ri bhoi kila sha khanglat Henry la IT she ki contractor ki barius pa ka VPP kan dawaru ban pensangi mardori ki karkhana kuk bat ki karkhana dobilan ya ka ba kala ong bakila penjat ya ka maryang bat aijimen toy tang ye ki kat tu kat ni kani ka jingat pat ba kan pen phai khmat ru halor ki wei pat ki mat ba kong san kum halor ki jing e jung ki no hi kai ba hapen khre ya ka exam M10 kat ba ha ku ju ko por la pha ru iki ban trei hakikam bat ka special intensive revision SIR bat ki wei pat ki kam sarkar ban persha ya ka jing thong kam biang ye ki officer bala shong thain bat ban pen khlan ya ka jinga da ya ka khandau ka syam jong ki shnang ki raj bat hima namar ka jing penjulor ka bajur bat ka jing sha kurup chaka ka bayai beteng ha ki than khaput kum halapanga bat mausikar
That the government should not take it lightly when we decide to undertake this march, as we have already said, on the 6th of August. Our intention is not to create any law and order problem, which is why we are saying that the party is going to march. It is going to be a peaceful march. We are not saying that we are going to storm the main secretariat. So there's a difference between storming the main secretariat and peaceful marching towards the main secretariat. We just want to demonstrate, to display the frustration, the angst of the people in the state as far as various issues are concerned, you know, issues related to the problem of the people, the problem of the students, the problem of the teachers, as we have highlighted in our flyers, in our meetings. Therefore, we we are positive that the government will take this as a reminder that the government will have to comply, will have to take a serious note, will have to respond to the voice of the people party and people, you know, positively, so that we can uh, remove these problems which have been caused a lot of which have caused a lot of problem to the people of the state. And we would also like to request the chief minister to stay in station so that he can witness the public who would join this march to express their frustration, because we know that people from all walk of life will join this march, because as it is, the people are angry with the lackadaisical attitude of the state government and the failure of the government to respond to the party so far. And we would also like to make a mention that the party will not tolerate anyone who will try to sabotage this peaceful program of the party. And the party will not also take any responsibility if they are caught creating any disturbances or any problem during this march. So, through this press statement, we would also like to appeal to all the right thinking people, all the people who have been affected by the uh, failure of the government, by the policy of the government, to come forward and join us, so that this march will become a very strong message to the government that we are not going to allow the government to act in its whims and fancy. The government must be responsible. The government must be made accountable for whatever action they are taking. So, this is the information, and this is what we want to inform the people through this press briefing.
Then you can elaborate more, especially yesterday there's a public hearing. Arnob Sharma. You know, the government we have seen, they are not respond to the public. They do their own will because just to support the richer people, the powerful people. About
You see, the party strongly condemn the government for this public hearing, because the government knows fully well that the people, the majority of the people, are against this cement company. And from the party also, we had already expressed our opposition. We had already demanded from the government to stop all these coke factory and cement factory in the state, because they bring no benefit to the people of the state. It only helps the rich people. Therefore, whatever steps the government have taken so far are very unfortunate, that people are subjected to tear gas and to untold sufferings. So the party will not keep mum on this issue. We will, and this issue, as I've already told you, will also be included as one of the agendas during this march. A consensus election bat menta dang shen ki bon ki nui kai ki ba ot ki ba yam ki ba ong ya kata ka jinge namar ha ka juk por ki haban pankre ya kata ka MTET examination ke jong ki bar ka juk por ki haban le ya ka ni ka election duty ki haban ni SIR duty ki haban yo igni duty ki ba pher te nang ta ka pasau ka dei ka jing sange ban thung kam ya ki bla shong thai ka basan ka di kum du ban penne ya ka khndo ka shap ka jong pai ba ki khndo ra ki khndo shnong ki khndo hima mo namang i ba ka don ki jing lilam ka ba khrau te kum ba ka long hi ka sarkar ka dei ka wei ka bai don banta ha ka ban klon ni ki jaka pai ba te ka ba riu ka dei ka jing khang ya ka jing wan rung to jing ki mender shagani ga jaka ka jingi bania dai gi nong shnong hagi jaka kapot kombang long po mausikar kombang long po lapangap haba kiwi kiwi gi nong shnong gi wan ban kentur na ga po se por ka ban nyo ka long ka jing pensange madori ki ki coke plan ba ki cement plan but kai gi basusi ka long haba ngi ngi ekran gi pen ban ya kini ki jing labor ki jing ya shkhmat juga sarkar ka ba peni ba ka sarkar kam pateu gi ki jing pensau ki jingi but ka basusi ka long ya kata ka public hearing ke baki penbet menta ka sinam ta kata ka Shri Semen lingba kilat patai ku bor ngi iya ka jingkren ka jong deputy chief minister ba pan pau ba kibon ki ba ya sha ya ni ban ya ki ba persha to kumnu ka sarkar kan yo jingtip shwa ya ka sngi jong ka public hearing ba kibon ki ba kershan bani ki ba persha te nang tangi suthu bat ke jinglong jingman ba kani ka de lupa ka jingpen kre jong ka sarkar kadai kamdai kata ka impartial public hearing ndai kala dei lupa ka partial public hearing lani ka fixed public hearing ka baga sarkar kala penbet ki briu bat ki jingja ki jingti ki surok ki jing penun kam ya kita ki tiarman sawi ki pa nong shno kadai ban pentrim lupa ban penting ki pa ba ki namle kata ka jaka te bat dei kata le si ka ba khanglat ya ki ba ko ban persya bakin pois kata ka jaka kini kedai ka ngi i balai ngi keren amar ngi i ka jing ta jing kamareng bat ngi i kita ki semen plan kim pen men toy yang i kum ka jalab ya kinong shong shong nang ta kum no ban tokit lani ban jurib ban wat ban detect mo ya kini ki nongwe ki bawandrung shakani ka jala ka jing ka Assam ka West Bengal kini ya lingba ka sarkar jing ki ban detect ban deport ya kita ki briu ki bamdei ki nong shong trashnong jogari India te shanu gi ni ki nei ngim i ba ka sarkar ka jing nadu ka por ba yakhi apo Manipur ka jing phet jing ki briu na po Manipur shani ka sarkar kam don record ba bang ban tip kan nu ki wan ri tengen hang ni ban lai na kata ka jing man saw nadu ka jing ki sa Bangladesh ru ka sarkar kam don ka no ka record te namar kata ka daw ngi dawa ba ka sarkar ka di ban sedang ya ka exercise ban detect ban deport ya kini ki foreigner ki belum ki nongwei ki bamde ki nong shong shong jokari India nangta ka party ru ka bu akhmat ya ni ka jingdawa ba ka sarkar ka di ban plenty ki briu ki ba im na ka shop mauria na ka tisha ki ba blasi ki ba kershani ki yang sem da ki potli ki snem bangi ba ki briu ki ba treh ki ni ki kam da ka takor kom trikam ka ba ki jutrei baro serta kala kershan ya ka yenga sem kala ai jakpo yaki bat kini ki par mau ngala banong ki baki briu jing ki trei di kiti ka shimpo di ki snem ban i ba uta uma unlut tendai ki ba ka sarkar kale ka ailat pat ya kita ki machine lani ki briu ki behe ki he spa bakin mo trei kita ki par mau ki daga baki penun kam ya ki machine ki behe he bat kai ki ba jamata ni ya ka than penusla ka ika baca ngi ka themri phoi ka ika baca tin mar ka ta daw ngi smuthu ba ka sarkar hi kum bagalong kam dei ba ka don ka ju prakhat ya maryang ndrei ka dei be kumno ban thawlenti ki bri ki he ki badon bor ki badon spa ba kin lut pe ya ka me maryang ga ji but ki khangla pat igini ki bri ki be imja nagani ka kam tingi ko apa ka sarkar ka dei ban thawlenti ki ka dei ban plenty ki ni ki bri ki berit but kawi ru kamat ka shipau kalong ba Kani ke sarkar kalau keluar ya ki pat ba ha ke bdei bu doyong. Nitip ba ki bon ba ki long yeng long sem ki ba im na u doyong. Ki par doyong, ki try par doyong, ki nong tray doyong, ki nong khai doyong, ki nong tray ha ki par. But nadu ba kawan ke jingkang. Kini ki briu ki berit ki lakta. Tege ki bangi ngi ko ban dawah kene ke por kon baga sarkar ka dei ban alat ya kini ki briu ki berit bakin tray ki kam doyong. Hoi daga baburu ya kita ki kendon nakam ta kumdo ba kata ka jingti ka jongki kam tam gini ki nongti doyong ki barit mo ki try ki nong khai doyong ki barit hang nirungi i baka sarkar ka e benye ki barit kat ba ka pelenti be tangye kini ki bahe mo ki large scale mining ngi kwa ban pen snow ya kini ki nong trade doyong ki barit ki be imjana kani ki try doyong ki baka jaka jongki kalong tang khandiat te kata kadi ka bangi ngi kwa ban pen pau lingba kani ka jing ka sngi ka bangi ngin mi ban pen pau ya kata ka jing snow bitar ka jing ya ka sarkar ka jing bam snow hun ka jing ya ka sarkar baka sarkar kan haban pet ya kani ka jingi kum ka jing maham ya ka jing pen kre bangin penjur ya ka jing hi pat ba nang ni shmat lar ka sarkar kam yo i bagata ka jingmi ka jing tur ka jing le ketawer ka jing ka secretariat kadai kata ka jing peni ya kata ka jing bitar ka jing kom pat ba but lingba ka ni ka khubor ngi kwaru ban kentu ya u chief minister badi ka sarkar baki dei bandon ha shlong bakini i bakim dei ban pep banwan spo secretariat ngin nomlek ban rung se secretariat Henry ngin mi ban ker tewer ban peni ya kata ka jing snow ka jing pai ba bat ya kata ka jing bitar ka pai ba udon bat ha ka ju ka por ngi kwaru ban kentu ye ki pai ba nong song snong ki khon samla ki long kme ki riu pai ba ki ba mat ya ka jing sha le ben ha ka ni ka sokar bakin mi shakmat ban ai ka jing kershan ka ba klan yangi kom ka party ka bala shimi ka ni ka sen jam bangin dei ban tur se secretary ban pau ya kata ka jing bitar ka jing ya ka jing le jong ka sarkar bada ka ju ka por ni ko aban ban biang se hisin bakani ka jing le tur ka jing ka de ka jing le tur da kalinti ka ba jai jai nginum sha ya no ki ba ya don banta ha ka ni ka jing ya tur pa ba bakin thau le ne ban pen mi iginu ginu jing klumar ila maham lupa ba nginum sha ki volunteers jong ka party ila pen kre ban pentikna baganum don ka jingle klemakor yenu ka jingle bor yenu da kita ke beshimanta lada don gi bakum kita maka party ngila maham lupa ba ngenum don ka jinget kli bat lada ngi lam ngin hab ban le daga batinge bat ngi maham rupa yo don kinu gi batmu bonwan ban pen but nam ya gani ka jing thmu ka jing bangin to secretary ba ka party kanum sha i bakum kita kanum island but ngi kwa ruban pen pau balada don menu balik persya ya kata kin hapan kit kli hi bat ka party kanum don ya kono ka jing kit kli kini kilong ki ki ba ka party ka kwa ban pen snow shi ki pat ba ling ba jong phi ki lat patai khubor ki bala wan ha ka ni ka por but nida karpat ki pat ba kin benut ya ka por ka jing ki namar ngile i kat ni ka jing sha leben kat shaba phai ngi ka jing yam brio kini ki singi la kalong ki brio ki ba trei ki kam la jong la kalong ye ki brio ki ba ye ki nong rep ki jungi la kalong ye ki nong trei pan mau ki nong ti mau ti shap la kalong ye ki ba im na udoyong bat kum ta ter ngil i ba kadi ka sokar kam penlet jimut ya ka jinge jung berit boria kala shiplet jimut tang nam ta kita ki ba don ka bor ki bala ban penjot ya kamaryang ki bala ban pen sniu ki kamaryang ki bala ban le ki kam don bor ki jangki te ka party komba kala kular bat komba kala keren kala shimmi gani ka sin jam bat haka riu trik kan don ka jing mi pat ba bangin ni ban tur bat ban ke to ya ka secretariat kai ki yo ya ka nam ki yo ya ka borom badi maki ki ba kham smu tho ban pen shai ban pen smu tho i pat ba kata kalong ka jing shisha Tendri pihak ban perkhat namar ki ki brio ki dona ka kamram ke ki dona ka duty ki lada ki lami sang ki program je ko sarkar manuban pe ki khna school haki jaka puli but ki penpau baka ka de jingkhya ka jingban khya ka de burden ka kta ki mentally ka kta ki physically tinamar kata ka dau ndege basungsi ka mapi ba kidon ki nongelam jong kita ki kenhun ki nohi kai ki baong ba kamle leila ka sarkar tendre ngi su thu shai nginum kenria na kata ka nongrim namar ngi I badon ka jing ka baban khya ke noi kai don ke jing kita ye ki khna puli war la kita ki nongelam jo ki kenhun jo ki noi kai ki oba kamle re ngi bakalele tarau ngindang ye dawa ye kani ngindang ye kren bat ngindang ye pensngoi ka sarkar ban nginget baka sarkar kan shimkhya ya kani ka program ka ji bakin pet bakin khmi ba bagani ka jimi pat ba ka ji kamdei bangi shmi taman pedapkom handai ka dei ka bangi ngi kwa ban peni kanu pat ba ubitar bat kanu pat ba ukershan ye kini ki mat ki baka party kelase